expected to happen, you have kept your word. I offer you my protection from the volcano's throat, and only there.
Thank you for helping me.